Hello, and welcome to Machine Nature. Today, we're diving once again into the real dangers lurking in the world of tree cutting. This is the second video in our series on this topic. If you haven't watched the first video yet, be sure to check it out on our channel. Accidents can turn into unforgettable stories with just a moment of carelessness. Let's explore incidents that teach us valuable lessons and leave us in awe. If you're ready, let's face the power of nature together. Pay attention to where you should stop while cutting trees. If you climb an unstable tree like this without a safety rope, the scenario that unfolds will look something like this. What do you think about this crazy tree cutting operation? Because it's truly terrifying. During a tree cutting operation, people are attempting to determine the direction in which the tree will fall, but things don't go as planned. Despite their efforts to guide the tree's descent, miscalculations or external factors cause it to fall unpredictably, potentially leading to dangerous situations or unintended damage. This highlights the importance of proper planning, tools, and expertise in tree cutting operations. The Fendt 936 Vario, paired with a forest rotor stump remover, is a powerful combination for clearing tree stumps and roots in forestry and agricultural operations. The Fendt 936 Vario, a high-performance tractor with advanced hydraulic systems and precise control, provides the strength and stability needed for such demanding tasks. The forest rotor stump remover is specifically designed to grind and uproot tree stumps efficiently, even in tough soil conditions or with deeply embedded roots. Together, this setup allows for quick and effective removal of stumps, making land preparation much easier for replanting, construction, or other uses. This equipment is particularly valuable for large-scale projects where manual removal would be impractical, showcasing the importance of modern machinery in forestry management. During a tree cutting, a backhoe attempts to push the tree in the intended direction, but the tree unexpectedly falls onto the backhoe, causing potential damage and highlighting the risks of improper planning. In Scotland, a large beech tree damaged by strong winds and showing signs of rot was felled to ensure safety and repurposed for firewood. Due to its compromised structure, the operation required careful planning to prevent accidents during the felling process. The tree's size and condition made it hazardous, but skilled handling ensured it was safely brought down and later processed into usable firewood, turning a dangerous situation into a practical outcome. I think he did this on purpose because the direction the tree would fall was obvious, and he took no precautions.
Oh Shucks, it didn't tear it down.
Although his tree cutting is very dangerous, the fact that he at least secured himself with a rope shows he knows something about what he's doing.
Oh shit. What kind are they?
Oh my God, why would someone take such a risk? Dude, nothing is worth this. They initially bid $4,800 for the job, but the customer chose a cheaper option for $1,200. Unfortunately, the worker dropped the tree on the house, causing $42,000 in damage. The incident highlights the importance of hiring a qualified arborist. It didn't even seem like the worker was properly at the top of the tree. In 2019, in Shelbyville, Michigan, workers cut down trees for a customer whose house was being demolished, allowing them to drop the tree onto the structure without concerns of damage. The 8120M is a high-capacity wood hauling machine used in forestry and agriculture. With a capacity of up to 20 cubic meters of wood, it is highly efficient for large-scale forest clearing and tree-cutting operations. The 81 is designed with durability and strength to perform well even in tough terrain. It is commonly used to transport and process wood after trees have been felled. Such machines make wood hauling faster and safer, while also reducing manual labor and increasing efficiency in forestry tasks. He tried to hold the broken branch with a rope, but look at what happened. The person cutting the tree thinks there's nothing around that could be damaged, but he'll regret ruining the vehicles. Removing stumps the cool way involves using a powerful stump splitter attached to a 330 excavator. This method is efficient and effective for tackling large, stubborn stumps, as the excavator's strength combined with the specialized stump splitter allows for quick removal. The stump splitter works by applying force to break and extract the stump from the ground. making it much faster than traditional methods. This technique is especially useful in large-scale land clearing projects where speed and efficiency are essential. It's a modern high-tech approach to stump removal, showcasing the capabilities of heavy machinery in forestry and construction work. The Kirovets K701, a powerful Russian tractor, is attempting to pull a tree stump out by using a chain to drag it. This method involves attaching a strong chain to the stump and using the Kirovet's tractor's immense power to pull the tree out of the ground. The K701 is known for its high towing capacity, making it well suited for such tasks. Though effective, this technique requires careful handling to avoid damaging the equipment or surrounding terrain. It's a classic example of using heavy machinery to remove stubborn tree stumps, often in larger forestry or land clearing operations. The Mercedes Unimog Lubo 4 is used by forestry workers to haul wood in extreme conditions. Its powerful off-road capabilities make it perfect for transporting logs through tough forested terrain. This inexperienced man almost injured himself. As the tree begins to fall, something goes wrong, and the lumberjack is unexpectedly thrown or sent flying due to the force of the tree's fall. This results in a chaotic and intense situation where the lumberjack faces a significant risk of injury. The video captures the dramatic moment, showcasing how dangerous tree cutting can be, especially without proper technique, preparation, and safety measures. It serves as a reminder of the hazards involved in forestry work and the importance of caution and experience in such tasks. Another dangerous tree cutting. The tree could fly off the moment it's cut because removing a box elder stump using a forklift is an unconventional yet effective method. The forklift's strong lifting capacity and maneuverability allow it to loosen and extract the stump from the ground. By carefully positioning the forks under the stump or its roots, the operator can apply upward force to dislodge it. This approach is particularly useful for stumps with shallow or moderately deep roots, offering a practical solution without the need for specialized stump removal equipment. However, it requires skillful operation to avoid damaging the forklift or surrounding area. Pulling a stump using a truck and mechanical advantage involves leveraging the truck's power along with tools like pulleys or chains to remove the stump more efficiently. The mechanical advantage system reduces the force required by redirecting and amplifying the pulling strength of the truck. The chain or rope is securely attached to the stump, and the truck slowly moves forward, applying steady force until the stump is dislodged. This method is effective for stumps with deep roots, but requires careful setup to prevent equipment damage or safety hazards.